A Florida law limiting drag shows in the state will stay blocked. It's a blow to a key initiative championed by Governor DeSantis. Florida asked the Supreme Court to narrow a lower court's ruling that stopped the law from being enforced statewide.
We brought you the breaking news yesterday when the court declined to do that. Now Wink News reporter Michelle Alvarez is live for us. Michelle, what does this new ruling mean?
Chris, it means for now, drag shows will go on in the state. Naples Pride supports the ruling, believing the law was an overreach, violating First Amendment rights. They also believe the court realized the law was doing more harm than good, so they're happy to have shows again they say are inclusive to everyone.
The Supreme Court ruled that Florida can't enforce the law keeping children out of drag shows while it was being challenged.
Do you feel like this is good news for the LGBTQ+?
Yes, I do, because it shows that the court recognizes that there are First Amendment rights that need to be upheld.
What it means for the time being is that the law is not in effect. Most LGBTQ+ groups like Naples Pride, who host drag shows, were concerned about this law because they felt it was overly broad and felt that it was specifically targeting drag shows as opposed to other things.
I'm also a parent of two little boys that are 5 and 6, and our 5-year-old loves drag shows. And so last year we went to Pride and he wasn't able to see drag queens, and it was a whole tantrum. It was a big deal.
Daniel Shaw is director of the Collier Youth Pride Conference. He said the ruling is great news for the LGBTQ+ community and their families.
I think the biggest thing is just to create an inclusive community where everybody can be who they are and embrace who they are and feel confident and comfortable doing so.
This summer, a U.S. district judge even issued a statewide preliminary injunction against the law, saying it violated First Amendment rights. The ruling came in a lawsuit filed by Orlando restaurant and bar Hamburger Mary's. I asked political professor Aubrey Jewett what happens now.
What we have now is the legal battle continues. The court actually now will have to make a ruling on the merits of the law and whether or not it is officially constitutional or unconstitutional.
I reached out to Governor Ron DeSantis' office, who said while they're disappointed in this particular ruling, the Supreme Court did not state an opinion based on the merits of their law protecting children from sexualized adult live performances. Now it's up to the court to rule whether or not it's officially unconstitutional. I'm reporting live, Michelle Alvarez, Wink News.